Welcome to 10 facts about Earth that will blow your mind. Hey there, Earthlings. Welcome back to Knowledge Trail. You're watching this video on the only planet in the universe we know for sure has tacos. That's right. Today we're diving into some mind-blowing facts about our very own rock in space Earth. And trust me, these facts will have you looking at this blue-green marble with fresh eyes. Let's jump right in. First up, Earth isn't a perfect sphere. It's more like a squishy ball thanks to its rotation. Picture a water balloon you try to spin really fast. That's Earth, bulging at the equator like it's had one too many slices of pizza. In fact, the difference between the diameter at the poles and the equator is about 27 miles. That's right, folks. The inner core of Earth is a molten inferno, reaching temperatures around 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than the surface of the sun. So, technically, you're closer to a star than you think. Ever feel like the world's spinning too fast? That's because it is. At the equator, Earth spins at over 1,000 miles per hour. Luckily, gravity keeps us from flying off. Imagine trying to eat soup if that wasn't the case. Total disaster. Here's a wild thought. Over 80% of Earth's oceans are unexplored. That's like owning a mansion but only living in one room. Who knows what's down there? Lost cities? Giant squids? Or maybe just fish wondering why we don't visit more often? Once upon a time, Earth had a twin. A Mars-sized planet named Theia crashed into us billions of years ago. The debris from that epic collision, it formed our moon. Talk about an explosive start to a relationship. Fun fact. About 4.5 billion years ago, a day on Earth lasted only 6 hours. Imagine cramming your workday, meals and Netflix binge into that. Over time, the moon's gravity slowed Earth's rotation to our current 24-hour days. Thanks, Moon. We owe you one. Get this. Scientists discovered a massive underground ocean about 400 miles below Earth's surface. It's trapped in a mineral called ringwoodite and might contain 3 times more water than all the oceans on the surface combined. So, technically, Earth's rocking a secret stash. Our atmosphere doesn't stop where it looks like it does. It actually stretches over 6,200 miles into space. That means astronauts on the International Space Station are technically still within Earth's atmosphere. Talk about overstaying your welcome. Earth's magnetic field is like an invisible superhero, shielding us from deadly solar radiation. Without it, the sun would fry us like an egg on a summer sidewalk. So next time you enjoy a sunny day, thank the magnetic field for keeping you alive. Every day, about 100 tons of cosmic dust falls on Earth. That's right, we're basically living in a space snow globe. So if your car looks dusty, maybe blame the cosmos instead of your lazy weekend. And there you have it, 10 mind-blowing facts about Earth that make our planet even cooler than we thought. From secret oceans to cosmic dust showers, Earth is full of surprises. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to keep exploring the wonders of our universe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep being curious, Earthlings.